Storytime friends, I'm Miss Sarah and I'm back for another fun story time. So this week we're going to start off our story time with one of our favorite scarf songs. So I'm going to use a scarf, but since you all are at home, you can use a clean tissue, you can use a towel, you can use a scarf you have in your closet, whatever you think will work. But we're going to sing Popcorn Kernels, so get your scarves ready. Alright, here we go. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. All right, let's do that one more time. Popcorn kernels, in the pot, in the pot. Shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, shake 'em, till they pop, till they pop. All right, good job, my Storytime friends. Now let's get to our story for today. Today we'll be reading Sail Away by Donald Cruz. A perfect day for sailing. Look how beautiful it is. So we have clear blue skies, we have calm seas. We row the dinghy out to our sailboat. So a dinghy is the small boat that they're in. So they're using it so they can get to their sailboat and spend the day sailing. Everything ready, we motor from our mooring. Put, put, put. So mooring, if you remember in this last picture, see they're anchored to this buoy so that their boat doesn't float away when they're not using it. So when they motor from their mooring, they unattach their boat from the buoy, and then they're sailing away. Put, 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 under the bridge. Put, put, put. Put, 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 past the lighthouse. Motor off. Put, sails up. So now they're putting their sails up. So instead of using a motor to go, they're going to use the sails. Whoosh! Winds up. Sail away! Sail away through the day. So when the wind catches in the sails, it causes the boat to move. Sailing, sailing, clear skies turn cloudy and gray. Uh-oh, look up here in the corner. What do you think is going to happen if gray skies are coming in? Do you think that's a good thing? We'll see. Gray skies darken, seas swell. So when seas swell, that just means there's waves and there's no break in the waves, so it makes it harder to sail. Darker skies, higher seas, angry seas. Shorten sails. Uh-oh, what do you think is going to happen to the boat? Do you think they're going to be okay? Let's find out. Sails down, we turn for home. Calm again at last. The sun is setting as we motor toward port. Put, put, put. Put, put, put. Past the lighthouse. Put, put, put. Put, put, put. Under the bridge. Put, put, put. Moored. So again, when they're moored, they're attached to this buoy so that their boat doesn't float away. All right, so that was our story for today. So now we're going to get to do our flannel board. Okay, our flannel board today is all about these animals. What kind of animal is this? It's a fish. Good job. So our fishies are going to be swimming in the ocean. So these little green things are seaweed. It's what you find on the ocean floor. All right, so let's go ahead and see what our fishies are going to be up to. So one fishy swimming in the ocean blue. Here comes another one, and then there were two. Two little fishies swimming in the sea. Here comes another one, and then there were three. Three little fishies swimming near the shore. Here comes another one, and then there were four. Four little fishies swim around and dive. Here comes another one, and then there were five. Uh-oh, here comes a... What animal is this? It's a shark. Here comes a shark looking for some fun. Look out, fishies! And away they run. Oh, look at the fish swim away. Oh, now the shark's all alone. All right, so that's our flight aboard. Say goodbye to the mean and scary shark. Goodbye, Mr. Shark. He's swimming away. All right, let's sing some fun songs now. Our first song for today is called Have You Ever Seen a Sailboat? And it has motion, so get your hands ready. Have you ever seen a sailboat, a sailboat, a sailboat? Have you ever seen a sailboat waving its sail? Wave this way and that way and that way and this way. Have you ever seen a sailboat waving its sail? Have you ever seen a sailboat, a sailboat, a sailboat? Have you ever seen a sailboat rocking back and forth? Rock this way and that way and that way and this way. Have you ever seen a sailboat rocking back and forth? All right, good job. Our second song is called Pirate Zoom Zoom Zoom. So for this song, we're going to be pirates and we're hunting for doubloons. Doubloons are Spanish gold coins. So we're hunting for treasure. All right, this also has some motion, so get your hands ready. All right, zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. Zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard our pirate ship. Zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ahoy! Zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. Zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard our pirate ship. Zoom, 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 we're hunting for doubloons. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, ahoy! All right, good job, my Storytime friends. That is it for our Storytime this week. But please remember that you can still get books from the library. You can call and pick them up curbside. And we still have ebooks available, so you can go on Hoopla, you can go on Libby or Overdrive to check out books so you can keep up with your reading. And please remember, we also have activity kits that are available outside by our front door. They have some fun activities and games that you can do with your family. All right, goodbye for this week, my Storytime friends. I will see you next week. Have a great week.